Yeah, hi. In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the systems that I use to obviously make money online. And I've been asked to obviously show payment proof for some reason, as if I don't give you enough information. But we're going to try and do that today on this video. So stay tuned right to the very end of this. And the system we're going to be looking at is OLSP System. So we're going to be looking at the payment proofs. We're also going to be looking how the business actually works, how they generate their money, how you don't actually have to do any selling yourself, and plus what simple things that you have to do just to get commissions every single week. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop where I'm going to run through it. But like I say, stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to show you some payment proofs towards the end, if that's what you require. And also I'm going to show you where you can actually get in touch with me and follow me and all that sort of thing. So you know that it is a totally legit person. I'm a totally legit person. I'm here in person. I can't really do anything more than that. People obviously don't think you're real for some reason. But let's crack on straight away and go and check out OLSP System. Okay, so as you can see, we've come in to my dashboard on OLSP. And at the moment, as you can see, I've earned just under $3,000 with this system. And I haven't had to do any of the selling at all because the system does the selling for you. Plus, you've got Wayne, who is the owner of the system. He will do a lot of the selling as well on some of the live events and the live trainings that he puts on. And we're going to show you more about that shortly. So what is OLSP System first? For those of you who don't know quickly, basically a system is where you can go in and learn how to build a business online. So it gives you training and it gives you some of the products that you're also going to need to run an online business, such as sort of capture pages and building email lists, all that sort of thing. So some of those products are in the system. If you've already got those products, or if you didn't want to buy those products and you wanted to do, so for argument's sake, free traffic methods, because that's the only thing you need to do is to get eyes on your actual capture page. That's all you have to do. So once you do that, then obviously the system does the rest for you. Now what I'll do, obviously I'll put a link somewhere down below here. If you did want to join up and learn a little bit more about exactly what it is, just click on that link. It will take you through to obviously a capture page. Put your email address in there, click through, and you'll come through to the boot camp. As you can see, I've already finished my boot camp here, and in finishing the boot camp I actually earned my first $20. So that's all you have to do is go through those 5 videos, which take about an hour in total. And what Wayne does, he goes through all the system and how it works, how the actual website works. So all you need to do then is go on and then take on, once you've done that, completed that, like I say, you will earn your first $20. Okay. Then obviously what we tell you then is to go through the rest of the training units. This gives you more in-depth training of how to go and share what they call is your mega link. This is all a new system here, guys. It's all fresh up to date, and you come into the welcome page and then you can go to your dashboard. Now on your dashboard, as you can see here, you will get your mega link, and this is a unique link that you can share, and then they can go and join through your link. And then what that means is any products or services that they buy in the future will be linked to you, which is what's brilliant about it. Okay, so any of the products that they actually go and refer, and they do refer quite a lot of outside products as well, so make sure you stay tuned. I'll show you exactly how that works. So once you've got that done, you also can head up here to the left hand side here, and it says this is your mega funnel. So your mega funnel is actually what you could share as well. So you can share your normal link, or you can share a mega funnel, and the mega funnel has different products in the actual funnel that people can buy as they go through the journey while they're signing up. So it's a little bit more of a slightly different process that you can use to actually get commissions rolling as soon as you can. Now you earn commissions even as a free member, guys, right the way up through the levels, even if on the high ticket sales. So there is no way of forcing you to literally upgrade in order to get commissions, because you get that even as a free member. However, your commissions are greatly improved if you can go and join what they call is the OLSP Dominator. Okay, now once you're an OLSP Dominator, your commission rates improve, plus other products get opened up for you as well, so you can earn off of those as well. So that's what a lot of people do in the OLSP. They actually upgrade to the Dominator leaderboard. Now, if you've come on underneath me and my link, and the way you'll be able to tell whether you've come under my link is if you come to the welcome page here. This is your OLSP mentor. Okay, so if you've come in through my link, then my details will be here. It'll have my name here, my email address, and my Facebook page. Okay, so if we quickly go across to my Facebook page, this is my Facebook page. Okay, as you can see here, I'm advertising OLSP on my Facebook page. And that is a great way that you can actually do to start earning, obviously, commissions and getting people to the system. So you'll be able to friend me, just send a friend request in, but also just drop me a little message to say that I am your mentor, because I do get an awful lot of friend requests in Facebook, and the majority of them, if they look a bit spammy and things like that, and I think maybe the profile is not brilliant, I just don't accept the friend. So put a little note with it, say that I'm your mentor, and then obviously I will definitely accept you as a friend. And then obviously you can ask me questions. You can message me on Facebook. You can also message me within the system here as well. Send a message to your mentor. So lots of stuff here. Really, really great support, guys. If you did need more support, you can go and open up a support ticket here. But I want to go on and find out how you're going to actually earn these commissions, guys. Like I said, there are plenty of products within the system, within the training, that you can actually go and join if you needed them. I would solely recommend hooking up, say, a lead capture page and also a email address, email autoresponder. Purely and simply because I do make quite a lot of commissions that way, just by starting to build a list and sending emails out to my list. And you can also do that as well as you've got your just links here, your mega links. You can also come down to the commission generator, and this is where all the live events take place. And there are sometimes 2 live events each week. As you can see here, we are I'm on the 1st of May, so it's right at the beginning of the month. And on the 2nd of May, which is tomorrow, there is a encore of one of the promotional links we had this week, and it's 100% recurring income from just 3 steps. So, and this is the link you can then go and promote out. Okay, so again, if you promote this out, just a free training, you can then obviously get people onto the training. If they buy, you are going to get a commission from that. It's as simple as that. You also get all the checklists and related material about the actual promotion. So they give you everything you need. And this is really good. You could obviously share these on your Facebook profile, or if you're big on Pinterest or Instagram or TikTok, any of those things, you could obviously use it to promote these events. Now, if you weren't big on any of these things, any of these platforms, and you still needed to get some traffic, and you think, how am I going to get traffic? Then again, the training goes through loads of free ways you can get traffic, and also some paid ways. So if you want to build your business a lot quicker, you can use some of the paid ways, which could be solo ads, Google ads, Facebook ads. There's more about all of these inside the main training area, which again is all free. So nothing you have to actually purchase to get going on in this business. Now let's just head over and just show you the sort of commissions that you should be able to get. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen overnight. Obviously, everybody needs to build their business up. I've been doing this for probably about just over a year now, but the first few months I did absolutely nothing. I joined up and I actually done it as a review for my YouTube channel, just like I'm doing now, and I really dismissed it. I thought, didn't think much of it. I just went and done a video, came back 2 or 3 months later after just putting one video on YouTube, and that was also when my YouTube channel was a lot smaller, so I didn't get many views. And I came back in, and sitting in my back office was $43 commissions that I'd actually been paid. And I'd done nothing apart from put this one video up. So that proves that this is definitely a set and forget system that you can do. Yes, you're going to need to get traffic to your links, but other than that, the training is the actual selling is all done by Wayne and his team and any other people that come on to the live events and promote their products and services as well. So we don't have to do anything, and so it's really, really simple and really easy to do. And as you can see here, I've had one refund, a $13.40 refund, and I've also had I've got here at the moment a requestable balance for $138, of which I've actually got a pending amount of $130, and this should come out in the next couple of days, normally on a Monday. Sometimes it's a bank holiday in the UK tomorrow, so maybe it may be Tuesday instead, but that would then appear down below here, which is some of my payments that have actually come out. Now, as you can see here, my pay method is by bank transfer. So now it's wire transfer. You can have PayPal in here as well, but I've gone across and just been paid directly into my bank. Just saves me a lot of hassle. And as you can see here, we've got this one was requested on the 28th of April, so that $130 is pending. We've got the week before that, 22nd, was $170, and then there was a couple of weeks, so I missed a week somewhere. So the 8th of April, $50. The 30th of March, that's $100. 23rd of March, $150. 18th of March, $140. As you can see, these are quite regular occurrences now that they're coming through every single week. Okay, and if you wanted to find out a little bit more about the actual products, they're all listed here, the products that you can actually get commissions for. And there are various products here, commission lead machine software, TD Pages, an OLSP upgrade, mega funnel, the one-time payment there. Now I'm going to quickly show you inside of my bank account, because like I say, some people wanted a proof that I was actually getting these payments in. I'm just going to log in right now. So I've got a business bank account, and then I've got one of these gadgets that I have to use to actually log into my account. So let's go and do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, we've come into my account here. Good afternoon, Martin. It says you last logged in obviously a little while ago. Couple of weeks ago, and this is my account overview, and there is the date, the 1st of May 2022, and we need to go to recent transactions. Okay, now going back into the OLSP system, this is going to be paid by wire, and it's going to be paid by what they call WISE. Okay, and it's coming from Wayne Crow. Now, Wayne Crow is obviously the founder of the OLSP system, and traffic domination is what it's called as well. So on the system, we're looking for traffic domination, and we're looking for obviously Wayne's name, which is where the payment comes from. Now, also you have to remember that these are amounts in dollars. I will get paid in pounds sterling in the UK, so there will be lower amounts than what these are here, because obviously there's more dollars to a pound. I think it stands at currently about $1.30 or something to every pound. So my recent transactions here, so if we look at this, we've got, there it is, Wayne Paul Crow, Traffic D, 132.60, and that was made on the 25th of April. So let's go down a bit more. As you can see, there's another one there, Wise Traffic D, £111. We've got another one there, Wise Traffic D, £103. So as you can see, these are coming through fairly regularly. Another one there, £71. There's another one there, £42. So as you can see, all coming through. So hopefully that shows you that they are paying every single week. Like I say, guys, I can't really show you any more than that. All I can do and what I'm willing to do is obviously I will help you as much as I can. The Facebook group is brilliant as well. There's over 120,000 people in there. But again, you'll be told to go and join the Facebook group as part of the boot camp. So like I say, the OLSP system, probably one of the best systems out there at the moment for starting a business, showing you how to start a business online. And of course, you can take this training and implement it and promote different products online as well with affiliate marketing. You're not just stuck with this with OLSP. You can actually promote whatever products you like as long as they've got an affiliate program set up. So you can really just take this information and make it into a full-time business. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you found this useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button. If you're in OLSP System or you want to join OLSP System, just make sure you comment below and let us know that you are going to be in there. Also, if you want more information, check out this whole playlist of videos about OLSP. And remember, this has evolved over the last sort of 12 months. So some of the videos will be older videos, which won't have some of the updates in them. Okay. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today, and we'll see you on the next video.